Flooring finisher, flooring installer. So today I got two roles on the edge of Perth in Western Australia for flooring installers. We're offering the 482 working visa. Salaries will be anything from 76,500 up to 110,000, depending on your experience. Um, we're looking for people that install carpet, vinyl, plank, and hybrid composites flooring. Ideally, somebody that's onshore at the moment on a 482 visa. We can do a change of visa sponsorship. It's very quick and very easy. If you're offshore, if you're not in Australia and wanting to come into Australia, you need 5 years experience plus recent experience, obviously relating to flooring. You need IELTS English exam scores of 5 in each section or the equivalent. Proof of employment, yeah, 5 years, and a bunch of videos. Just get your cell phone, put it on a chair, and do your flooring stuff. Send me half a dozen videos, 5 minutes each, Google Drive folder. Yeah, if you'd like to apply, my webpage is here somewhere, crosscountryconsultancy.com. Um, Hit the apply button, type flooring, hit enter, fill out the form. Make sure your CV's got your age, your nationality, your work experience dates, month and year, and your attendance. How many hours? You doing 38 hours a week? You doing 8 hours a week? What? Just put that on your CV and a link to your folder of videos. Yeah, that's it. If you like this sort of stuff, press the like button. If you want to hear more jobs, press the follow button. My name's Kano. I do recruitment and visas for Australia. Have a good day, mate. Cheers.